Tired of spending hours editing your videos? Imagine if AI could do it for you, faster, smarter, and better. Welcome to ITMaster. In this video, I'm showing you how to edit like a pro using AI tools, even if you've got zero experience. No complicated software. No wasted time. Just clean, pro-level content, done in minutes. What you'll learn. How to automate cuts, captions, and effects using AI. Tools that turn raw footage into polished content fast. How to make your videos more professional and watchable, without paying for high-end software. Step 1. Auto-edit with Descript or Wisecut. Upload your footage, and let the AI cut silences, add jump cuts, and sync subtitles instantly. Descript even lets you edit your video by editing the transcript. No timeline headaches. No manual syncing. Just fast, clean edits. Step 2. Add captions and effects automatically. Use tools like v.io or Kapwing to auto-generate captions, transitions, and motion text. You can add style, zooms, and sound effects, all powered by AI. This boosts engagement and keeps your content tight. Step 3. Enhance audio and visual quality with AI filters. Platforms like Adobe Podcast AI and Runway ML clean up bad audio, sharpen blurry clips, and even remove backgrounds, all with one click. It's like having a professional editor in your browser. Step 4. Create shorts automatically. AI tools like Pictory or Clip turn long-form content into short, viral clips. Just upload your video, and it finds the most engaging moments, adds subtitles, and reformats it for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Pro tips. Batch edit your content with templates to speed up your workflow. Always review and tweak. AI gets you 80% there, you finish strong. Add your branding at the end with a consistent outro or logo card. AI is changing the game for content creators. You don't need to spend hours editing or invest in expensive software anymore. With the tools we just covered, you can produce cleaner, faster, better videos, without the burnout. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you're excited to try. And stay tuned, ITMaster's just getting started. See you in the next one.